Pinterest. Why you must have Pinterest bots in 2025 in your Pinterest account? Guys, this is Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Let's move to Pinterest, discover it together. Why are Pinterest bots so much important in your Pinterest account? Because it's part of SEO and they help to promote your Pinterest account and sell more of your products. Click on any of your bots. Click on new bot, for example. Add name of your bot, description of your bot. Use main keywords for your bots for this group item. It's so much important. And after that, click done, save your bot. If you add bot cover, here will be bot cover. If no bot cover, you will receive last pin. And so much important next step. Write in search some addresses. My example, write in search your type of products. Click on filters. Click on filters. After that, click on bots. After that, and you will see Pinterest bots with some addresses. Guys, so if you want to promote your products, you must have Pinterest bots for each type of product. Guys, if you need to sell more from Etsy or another website, use Pinterest. Use my ebook How to Use Pinterest for Beginners. It's about Pinterest SEO, about keywords, and how to sell, how to promote your any items on Pinterest. And for Etsy sellers, 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers to help promote their Etsy shop due to Pinterest group bots. Guys, you are not alone. With you, Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Subscribe, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.